Hello everyone, I'm here today to tell you about IGOW Season 2. IGOW, International Game of Whoop. That is where you take your fun whoops and you go out and you try different tricks, and if you can complete the trick, then you don't get a letter, and if you can't complete the trick, then you get a letter, and then once you get to spelling out the whole word whoop, W-H-O-O-P, then you're out. Now, don't think of it as a traditional competition that it's cutthroat and hard. The Tiny Whoop group, as well as the IGOW Whoop, they have got to be one of the most fun and enthusiastic and supportive groups around. So it doesn't matter your skill level. And this is also a way of challenging yourself to do new things. I know it was for me, and it was quite hard to balancing everything out. But it opened my eyes to what I could do. Things I hadn't tried before. Things like flying backwards. I'd never done such a simple thing before. And so at first it was challenging, but after a few packs, it got easier, and I was able to submit that trick and successfully move on to the next week. So I want to encourage all of you, if you fly whoops of any sort, to get involved. Now, I don't want to tell you all about it. I'm sure they're working on the process from Season 1 to Season 2, but I am going to link down in the video description below where you can find the full launching of IGOW2, and with the support of Jesse Perkins, you may end up being a Tiny Whoop team pilot. Brian K from last season, who won the whole thing, he's now a Tiny Whoop pilot, so you might end up there as well. And even if you don't end up in the final week, which I think took 42 weeks last year, it's a fun way of getting together, seeing what everybody does, see your failures. If you're a creative video editor, it's a cool way of people like myself be able to see who else does cool things. It's not just about cool whoop tricks, but also about cool video editing and ideas. It's very fun, and I would encourage you all to click that link down below, find out how to get involved, and join IGOW2. And if you joined last year, you should join again. Keep coming back, keep coming back. It's like a good season that never ends. I don't want to keep you too long, so click that link, and I'll see you in IGOW2. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.